Emily Jogasen Congress na Gambegre constituency Saleng isangma haba keren berkinong to khubor ulaong bangidai ban iwei pan ula banrap da ka baong bahagini ki khndiat sngi ngisngok man ba uwei ni ki samla jongka jela ula pas ya ke exam UPSC wadla umde Khasi ni Jaiñtia ni Garo Henry ngidai ban kemen ba udai na kejela Meghalaya ulaong ru bangi kwa baki Khasi ki Jaiñtia bat ki Garo bakin pas ya ki exam ki bala penlong da ka UPSC la ka dei ya ki IFS ki IES bat ki wei ulaong bakum ka jela ngidei ben ïakhun yakum kini ka pulai putih ha ka jela ka hiar ba ngidei ben ïakhun ba ka pulai putih kan kiu nang ne shakman ulaong ru bangi dei ben ïakhun ha bai dei bet ka yo kam yo jam ha ka jela Hakaba kidon ki school shimet, kidon ki company, ki bala penyat, harai ngim tepat, kumno ki aikam aijam, ya ki samla, jong ka jela jungi.
Last time we are so happy that one of the Meghalaya got, got through the UPSC examination, at least one. But he is not Garo, not Khasi, not Jaiñtia. Though I feel so sorry, but we have to be happy. Because he's Meghalaya. What to do? We have to accept the truth. But what we want is that I want Khasi, I want Garo, I want Jaiñtia to crack through the UPSC. So we should fight for this kind of situation. I mean, the education system is very bad within the state of Meghalaya. So these are the areas where we have to fight. Now we have to fight about the unemployment within the state. How many private institutions are there? How many private corporates are there? Whether these private corporates are employing our people or not, we have to check them. Now, for example, in Nigrims, we have to fight for the 50% out there. How many Garos, Khasis and Jaiñtias are being, allowed to go for a training in Nigrims as a doctor? What are the percentage? Those we should fight. And then we should fight for, whatever, how many, in the aims, how many of our local peoples are getting, inside the aims. So all those things, to say, IIM, Shillong, all those things we have to discuss it. It's a good thing to discuss anything, but at least there should be a solution for it.